Alright, gang members, so real quick, we're just gonna install this. Die cut sticker right here, because you know, got to stay fresh, man. I'm not trying to mess up my sweater or nothing. That's right. Gotta stay fresh, baby. You know how long I've had that sticker on the car? Fun car land. Alright, I've got, oh yeah, first of all, hello. Happy Monday. I've got the bike idling outside. It's loud as hell, the only way to have it. And right now, one thing I want to announce is I found something. It's a washer of some kind. So sit at the bottom of my camera, and it's nice and steady. Shake it, and it's not wobbly and stuff like that. So you take this bike out for a little spin, because it's quite warm. I think it's like in the mid 40s. Still kind of cold. Stop over at Pep Boys and see what kind of bass stuff they can offer for like a sub box and amp. Maybe they got a whole package, I don't know. To find another one of these quick release jammers, because mine unfortunately has snapped. I guess I will take it with me. I don't know, maybe I should. I'll pick this video up probably once I can get it mounted and stuff like that. So, let's go for a ride. So, I'm freezing right now. Well, not really, but it's pretty cold. Alright, so that was just a really short ride to the gas station from the house. Right now we're headed down to Pep Boys, see if they got any troubles with the car. It looks like they had it. It's a box with 210s, an amp, and the wiring. So that's pretty much everything I need to have bass in the car, because right now there's none. Earplugs. I think this is the one thing that is so true when it comes to being a biker, motorcyclist. It's like riding gear. It takes us bikers a moment to gear up. I mean, I'll say, like, unless I lived in like a really warm place, I probably wouldn't have to worry so much about, I wouldn't have to worry so much about putting on a jacket and stuff. I mean, I'd probably still wear like a jacket to protect myself, but it would be like a mesh one. I have a mesh one for warm weather. And well, this is just a little baby ride, maybe a mile or two here and there. Maybe I'll ride down to like, I don't know. I mean, at this point, I'm probably not even gonna know what I'm saying, because I got my earplugs in and I'm just sort of waiting for them to expand and stuff. Maybe I'll just go for a quick cruise. I'll probably switch the camera around the other way so you guys can see the roads I'm riding on. we're over here just chilling over by the lake. And what this is this is a lake near, it's like a frozen over lake if you could just see it. Pretty cool. I mean, it's not entirely like frozen over, but it does look pretty neat. And then this is like a little picnic area. And this during the summertime would be like a little beach area. That I'm like officially in town and all that kind of stuff. Let's give you guys the view one more time. It's pretty nice. Right? I'm gonna see if I can actually circle the lake that way and then go home. And I'm gonna like flip it around so I can see the road. Well, the main point of today's little ride is that to get home safe and have fun.